To hide photos or videos in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to open security and privacy settings right here. Scroll all the way down and enter private space. It will ask you for your current password. So for me, because I've already made setup for private space, you will see the first setup screen for your private space. If you need help for that setup, I've made a dedicated video on how to set up private space. It's on this channel, so you can watch it if you want. And then when our private space is created, we can go back to our home screen and perform a swipe up like this so that we can see apps screen. Scroll all the way down and find the private space. You can lock it or unlock it with the lock icon, and then when it's unlocked, you can click on the add button and add whichever files you like. In this case, we're gonna focus on photos, so let's click on the photos that we want to hide. You can click and hold them and then select them and move them, that is crucial, to your secure folder. In the private space, we can open files or photos, and then inside we'll be able to see those photos that we wanted to hide. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.